We want to resolve this problem and we are meant to find the value of x. We have 256 all to the power of root 3x minus 7 all equal to 4 to the power of 6. So before we resolve this, we can actually reduce this 256 to base 4. So that will be 4 to the power of 4 root 3x minus 7 all equal to 4 to the power of 6. So from here, since the bases are the same now, we take the exponent. So we then have 4 root 3x minus 7 all equal to 6. So we can still reduce this equation by dividing through by 2. So divide both sides. By 2. 4 divided by 2, we have 2 root 3x minus 7 all equal to 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, we have 3. So when we square both sides, in order to eliminate this square root, square both sides, we have 2 roots 3x minus 7 all squared equal to 3 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is 4. And root 3x minus 7 all squared, this will cancel this. So we have 3x minus 7 all equal to 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So we open up this bracket. 4 times 3x, we have 12x. Minus 4 times 7, we have 28. All equal to 9. So this 12x equal to 9 plus 28. We have 12x equal to 28 plus 9. We have 29, 30. That's 37. So x will be equal to 37 over 12. So these are x. But we can verify this. Verify. Now remember the question. 256 root 3x minus 7 all equal to 4 to the power of 6. So let's verify. 256 root 3x minus 7 all equal to 4 to the power of 6. So reducing this, we have 2 to the power of 8 root 3. Remember our x is 37 over 12. We have 37 over 12 minus 7 all equal to 4 to the power of 6. So this is 2 to the power of 8. Three times 37 over 12. This is 37 over 4 minus 7 all equal to 4 to the power of 6. And 2 to the power of 8. 37 over 4 minus 7. This should be 4, 37 minus 28, which is equal to 4 to the power of 6. So resolving this, we have 2 to the power of 8 root 37 minus 28 is 9 over 4 equal to 4 to the power of 6. So this is 2 to the power of 8. The square root of 9 over 4 is, square root of 9 is 3 and square root of 4 is 2. All equal to 4 to the power of 6. So this implies that 2 to the power of 8. So let's multiply the powers. We have 2 to the power of 8 times 3 over 2 equal to 4 to the power of 6. So 8 times, 8 divided by 2, that's 4 times 3. So you have 2 to the power of 4 times 3, or equal to 4 to the power of 6. This implies that 2 to the power of 12 is equal to 4 to the power of 6. And when you expand this thing, when you expand this, 2 to the power of 12 is 4,096. And when you expand this one as well, is 4,096. That means the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. Hence, our x is 37 all over 12.